Introducing the Level 3 Food Safety and Hygiene course from Verner Wheelock. A 3-day food safety course, providing a broad understanding of food safety principles. It's ideal for those responsible for supervising or training staff. Developed by industry professionals, the course leads to either the RSPH Level 3 Award in Food Safety for Food Manufacturing, or the Supervising Food Safety and Hygiene Certificate. The training is split into 5 sections, and in Section 1 you'll learn about food poisoning and foodborne disease. In Section 2, we explore hazards. In Section 3, control measures. In Section 4, we cover the supervisory aspects of hygiene practices. And finally, in Section 5, we look at food hygiene legislation. At the end of the course, there is a 90-minute multiple-choice examination, with successful participants awarded with either the RSPH Level 3 Award in Food Safety for Food Manufacturing, or the RSPH Level 3 Award in Supervising Food Safety and Hygiene Certificate. The course can be taken at our training center, or remotely, via computer or mobile device. We can also provide in-house training at your premises. The RSPH Level 3 Award in Food Safety and Hygiene course from Verner Wheelock. Expand your food safety knowledge and further your food industry career. Enroll today.